everyone, this is Tim here from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to easily convert items into PDF on your mobile phone. So we can just go to the gallery, or we can just go into, let's just go to files here, swipe up and go to files. So let's go to my files or files. And then you can do this with like documents, images, etc., whatever. Let's go to one image right here. Now if you go to the top right, under here, let's go to here. We can just go to share. Go to the right. You should be able to see printer right here. We can go to more, go to print. Now, when we're under print, tap your printer in the top right and go to save as PDF. Then you go to PDF and just tap this and it'll save it as a PDF file. Choose the location, maybe documents, I don't know, depending on wherever you want to save this, or downloads. And save it into that location. Then we go back, we go to recent files, and we can see this will be a PDF. It changed from JPG to PDF. So it's a PDF file now. And then we can print this, or we can share it somewhere else, but it should be a PDF file now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.